And today on Autocar 66, we will show the new Kia K4 hatch with a very bold design and technological interior. See more of it after the intro. And Kia presented its new K4 at this year's New York Auto Show, now in hatchback configuration, 1 year after showing its sedan version. The new car comes to, in a way, replace the late Cerato. Compare the two here in the images and see the huge difference in style between them. The K4 has a very bold style, which ensures that no one will go unnoticed when driving around. Koreans have been standing out for the design of their cars, showing a lot of personality and distinction, and it is no different with the new K4. But not everything is about its appearance. Its interior is also quite attractive and technological, very different from what we see in the segment, with integrated digital screens and a very high-tech look. Its engine is conventional, no electrification for now. Stay tuned as we show you everything we were able to find out about this new Kia K4. Let's obviously start with what catches the eye the most at first glance, its design. Very modern and full of personality. The front has a very bold lighting design in an inverted L shape with a metallic bar connecting the headlights. The grille has rectangular elements and the bumper has a very muscular appearance, full of creases and recesses with a large cooling air intake at the bottom, framed by a black piece. Going to the side of the K4, we see very clean lines, until we look away to its fenders, which are quite voluminous. The baseline of the windows is very straight and has a chrome strip at the base. These windows are visually connected to the rear by a narrow black frame that sits on the pillar, and the rear door handles are recessed into the door pillar. The wheels can be up to 18 inches and are darkened on the sporty GT line version. Going to the rear, things also show a lot of personality. The lanterns also have an inverted L design like the headlights and are also interconnected by a bar. The lid is well sculpted and has a built-in spoiler at the top, and the bumpers are quite voluminous, boasting a large black frame at the bottom. Compare it here with a popular VW Golf. And then, which of the two is more beautiful to you? The Kia K4 hatchback's color palette has not been released, but its sedan sibling is offered in several shades, ranging from traditional grays and blacks, but the striking yellow shown here in the video must be exclusive to the hatchback. Which one goes best with its bold design? When you get into the car, things also attract a lot of attention. The environment has a very horizontal design and uses materials of different colors and textures. The instrument screen is fully digital and integrates with the multimedia screen, totaling almost 30 inches in total. Passenger space is good for 4 passengers, and the trunk also offers outstanding cargo capacity. The equipment list has good items. See the list. 7 airbags, front and rear parking sensor, rear camera, automatic headlight activation, lane keeping assistant, frontal collision alert, traffic monitoring, pedestrian alert, and speed limit warning. Of course, much of this being part of only the more expensive versions. The Kia K4 measures 4.43 meters long, 1.85 meters wide, and 1.42 millimeters high. The Korean hatchback can have 2 engine options under the hood. A 2.0 naturally aspirated gasoline engine, which produces 150 horsepower, and another 1.6. But turbo with 190 horsepower. With the 2.0, its sedan version accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 10.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of almost 200 kilometers per hour. The Kia K4 hatch will arrive in the North American market by the end of 2025, but its prices have not yet been released. Taking its sedan version as a reference, we can expect prices to start at around $22,000 for the cheapest version. So, what do you think of the new Kia K4 hatchback? Will it be better than the VW Golf? Give us your opinion in the comments. We want to know.
enjoying this video, so subscribe to the channel and like it so we can keep on producing our content.